What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we want to take a look at the countries that WeBull is currently supported in. So if you live in any of these countries, you can definitely use WeBull. But if you don't live in any of these countries, you cannot use WeBull. You might be able to go to the website and just browse around, but opening an account and being able to fund that account and trade wouldn't be possible. So I've gotten a lot of questions from people in Australia, in Canada, in the UK, in some from Africa, asking about using the WeBull platform for trading. So here is a comprehensive list of supported countries. But if you're new to the channel, we talk about everything WeBull and how the platform can help you become a better investor. So all the tips and tricks of becoming a better investor using the WeBull platform. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So let's get started here. The first one on the list is the United States. Second one is China. Third is India. The fourth one is Philippines. The fifth is Japan. You have Malaysia, you have Brazil, you have Turkey, and you have South Korea. So if you live in a country that is not on this list, I'm sorry, guys. There's no way you can actually open a WeBull platform and are able to trade. They plan on adding more countries to this list, so just keep your eyes open as the list continue to expand. Maybe someday, whichever country you live in might be on the list, as I know their goal is to go global as much as possible. So just keep your eyes open. Again, people from Australia, from Canada, I know you guys are really wanting to use the platform. I don't know why WeBull hasn't been able to tap into those markets, because there's people out there that are ready to invest. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you again are new, we talk about everything WeBull, tips and tricks on how to use the WeBull platform to become a better investor. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. And I'll see you in the next one.